Hello everyone. We'll solve the assignment problem using branch and bound method. So what exactly is the assignment problem? You'll be given a list of people called person A, person B, person C, person D till person N, and n number of jobs. So there'll be n number of people and n number of jobs, and the cost of each job for that particular person is given in this table. Example, here person A, if he does job 1, it'll cost him 9 units. If he does job 2, 2 units, and so on. So what is our aim? Our aim is so that no two selected elements are in the same column and the sum is minimized. In the sense, if person A selects job 2, then his cost is 2. Person B cannot select job 2 because job 2 is taken by person A. So in this sense, we have to minimize the cost. So we use a solution, we use a method called branch and bound, and how we do that is by using state space trees. I'm sorry. Um, the first thing you do is you find out what can be the least cost, and even though it is unfeasible, not feasible, let it be like how it is. So that will be in person A, the least cost is 2. In person B, least cost is 3. In person C, least cost is 1. In person D, least cost is 4. So you add this 2 plus 3, that is 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. So that gives you the root of the state space tree. That is lower bound equals to 10, and you have not selected anything yet. Now what you can do is, in this, now you can assign job 1 to A, or job 2 to A, or job 3 to A, or job 4 to A. Okay, now we will check what will be the total cost if you assign job 1 to A. Now how do you do that? Assign job 1 to A, that means you assign job 1, so 9 is the cost. And when you assign job 1, you cannot assign job 1 to person B, person C, or person D. Okay, so person B, now how do you find which job should person B take? Take which is the least among these three, because you cannot use this. So here you will use 3. So 9 plus 3. And here same thing. Here you can have jobs which are common. Fine. For person C, least cost will be 1. So 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. And in here the least cost is 4. 13 plus 4, 17. Right? So here they gave you 17. Now similarly, if you had assigned job 2 to person A, the cost would have been 2. Fine, you cannot use this. Plus minimum in this is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Plus 1, 6. Plus 1 plus 4, 10. 10, right? Similarly for 3, if you assign job 3 to A, it will be 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, 16 plus 4, 20. That's how you got it. And now you've selected amongst these are called the active nodes. In this you will select which has the least cost, and you will proceed with that. You can see here A is equal to 2 gives you least cost, so you'll proceed with that. That means now you have successfully assigned job 2 to person A. So now you have to select jobs for person B, C and D. Again you'll check person B can be given job 1, job 3 or job 4. In that again you'll do the same procedure with what I said, and then in that you'll find the least. Here the least is when you assign B equal to 1. So that means you trace back. This is least when you give job 2 to A, job 1 to B. Now you have to assign for job C and D. When you keep doing this, you'll get something like this. At each step you would have to see which node gives you least cost and proceed with that. You will find for this problem, least cost will be when you give job 2 to A, job 1 to B, job 3 to C, and job 4 to D, and the cost will give you 13. If you want, you can check. It will give you 13. That is job 2 to A, 2 plus job 1 to B, that is 8, plus job 3 to C, that is 9, plus job 4 to D, that is 13. So this is how you solve using state space tree. Thank you.